Hello and welcome to Nigerian Food Channel. It's your boy Franklin. Right, today I'm going to take you through a very nice, mouth-watering and fantastic sauce that you can use to make several types of food. Goes beyond Nigerian food recipes alone, okay? This is a beautiful sauce, a beautiful product that I've chosen to align myself with. A very nice, unique brand, okay? But before then, let's unbox. Whoa, nice. Here's a beautiful sauce. Got 2 jars in here. CELARIO. Right, so I've got my CELARIO sauce here. As you can see, this beautiful sauce, okay? So I'm gonna be using this to make, to prepare nice goat neck chops to go with my fried yam. So I'm just going to show you very quickly. I've got my yam here peeled and cleaned, not cleaned yet, but peeled. Okay, so I'm basically, let me see, just so you can see properly, diagonally slicing the yam. Right, I've got my yam slices in here. I'll run some water and then we'll rinse. Right, so I'm going to add some salt, not a lot. Yeah, that's all right. Right, I've got my CELARIO sauce. This is it. So I'm basically just going to pour this into my pot here. See that? You pretty much don't need to add seasoning because it's already been seasoned and it tastes really good. So I'm gonna add just a little bit more, and that should be okay for what I need it for. Right? But if you're the fussy type and you maybe feel like adding a tiny bit of salt, it's up to you. So we let that just cook up for about a minute or 2, then I add my goat chops. Right, I'm going to add my goat chops now. That's it really. And that's it, and you turn off the cooker. Right, I've got my fried yams, and you can see my sauce here, goat neck chops made out of my CELARIO sauce. Really nice. So I'm just going to serve some of this. This is really yum. Here you go, guys. My lovely fried yam with goat neck chops in lovely all-purpose cooking CELARIO sauce. Amazing. Check out the link to the CELARIO sauce website, basically celariosauce.co.uk. Look in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube. It's a fantastic sauce. I believe in the brand. It's amazing. Check them out. Order yours today and get cooking. It's amazing. If you haven't, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love. It's your boy Franklin. Bye now. Come join me. This is really good. This tastes so good. Goat neck chops. Thank you for watching. And yeah, check out this sauce. It's amazing. I cannot stress it enough. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love. Bye now.